Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Dollar ends broadly lower as surge in safe haven yen on PM Abe's resignation pressures USD analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 6981E0831 2022 17:43 am. The greenback remained on the back foot in Europe and ended Friday lower across the board, led by intraday strong gain in the safe haven Japanese yen after Prime Minister Shinzo Abe announced his resignation due to health conditions, together with decline in U.S. Treasury yields following Thursday's sharp jump. NBSP versus the Japanese yen. Although dollar rose from 106.51 in Australia to a 13-day high at 106.94 in Asia, price met renewed selling and later tumbled to session lows of 105.21 at New York Open on active safe haven JPY buying after Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe announced that he will step down before rebounding to 105.73 on short covering. However, price swung sideways in New York afternoon trading. NBSP Reuters reported Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe on Friday said he had decided to step down due to worsening health conditions, and said he apologized to citizens from the bottom of his heart for not being able to fulfill his duties. NBSP The single currency found renewed buying at 1.1812 at Asian Open and rose to 1.1879 in Asia on USD's weakness, and then ratcheted higher to an 8-day high of January 1919 in Europe before retreating to 1.1868 in New York morning on selling in Euro especially versus yen and sterling. The pair later rebounded in tandem with cable to January 1910. NBSP The British pound also rallied strongly from 1.3187 at Asian Open to 1.3289 in European morning on USD's weakness before retreating to 1.3257. However, cable then climbed to 1.3320 at New York Open before weakening to 1.3263 on profit-taking, but only to rise again to a fresh 8-month high of 1.3357 and later swung broadly sideways. NBSP Reuters reported Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey said the British central bank has more ammunition to help support the economy after its coronavirus lockdown shock, and there is evidence that big, aggressive stimulus pushes are effective. NBSP data to be released this NBSP week. NBSP Japan industrial output, retail sales, consumer confidence, housing starts, construction orders, China NBS non-manufacturing PMI, NBS manufacturing PMI, New Zealand NBNZ business outlook, NBNZ own activity, Australia business inventories, UK market holiday, Swiss retail sales, Italy GDP, consumer price, CPI EU norm, Germany CPI, HICP, Canada building permits, producer prices, and U.S. Dallas Fed manufacturing index on Monday. NBSP Australia AIG manufacturing, building approvals, TBA interest rate decision, Japan unemployment rate, Japan Bank manufacturing PMI, China cakes and manufacturing PMI, Swiss manufacturing PMI, Italy market manufacturing PMI, France market manufacturing PMI, Germany market manufacturing PMI, unemployment rate, unemployment change, Italy unemployment rate, UK market manufacturing PMI, EU market manufacturing PMI, HICP, core HICP, unemployment rate, US Redbook, market manufacturing PMI, construction spending, ISM manufacturing PMI and New Zealand GDT price index on Tuesday. NBSP New Zealand terms of trade, import prices, export prices, Australia GDP, Germany retail sales, UK BRC shop price index, nationwide house price, EU producer prices, US MBA mortgage application, ADP employment change, ISM New York index, Durables X Defense, Durable Goods, Durables X Transport, Factory Orders, and Canada Labour Productivity Rate on Wednesday. NBSP Australia Trade Balance, Imports, Exports, AIG Construction Index, China Cakes and Services PMI, Swiss CPI, Italy Market Services PMI, France Market Services PMI, Germany Market Services PMI, EU Market Services PMI, Retail Sales, UK Market Services PMI, US Trade Balance, Initial Jobless Claims, Labor Costs, Continued Jobless Claims, Productivity, Market Services PMI, ISM Non-Manufacturing PMI and Canada Trade Balance, Exports, Imports on Thursday. NBSP Australia Retail Sales, Germany Industrial Orders, Manufacturing Output, France Budget Balance, Current Account, US Non-Farm Payrolls, Private Payrolls, Unemployment Rate, Average Earnings, and Canada Employment Change, Unemployment Rate, IV PMI on Friday. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.